We're back. I know you guys want more punishment. Here it is. We're gonna dig the footers today with the old 316. Never done that before. I was talking to Dennis. He's like, "Oh, you need to bring your 2-foot bucket so we get through this rock." I'm like, "Man, I don't want to drag that there in a minute." I just got thinking, well, why not just bring a 2-foot bucket and dig it with the 316? Got every dang piece of equipment on this job. What do you got, drill down through the rock just to get your pins in? Yep. I told you she was solid. Gonna have a good firm base, ain't it? I'm gonna hunk this bump out here real quick. All my nice floor is gonna get crumbs in it. We'll throw this pile up here, leave it up there, and then I'll bring it this way to, it's good dirt, bring it that way in front of the house. I tell you, this new flavor, I've been looking forward to it all night. I just couldn't wait to get up today, though. Now we'll jump on the dozer, get this all bladed off, get it cleaned up. I got septic tank coming today, which I'm just gonna have him drop it there. I can set it with the 316. What do we have there? It's pretty bitchin' when you open your door up and you find a 18-pack of Red Bulls. Toby knows the way to my heart. I texted a picture, said, "Man, we hit solid rock." He probably felt bad for me. Had to give me some wings. We're through it though. Where there's a will, there's a way. I tell you, I love working with people like Dennis, man. He's just a good dude. He's been my wall guy since we did a job and Buzzy was going to rent panels and do it. He's like, "Oh man, I don't know Dennis, but I'm going to call him, see who he'll do it for." And then the first job I rolled up, I didn't even know him. Talked to him, and just always been a super good dude. So any walls I get, I always use him. We made that bond from the beginning. Just super good dude, easy to work with, and don't get worried about nothing. You got to dump some more concrete, so be it. It's fun. Organized you can keep your site, the better off you're going to be. It looks so much better, and obviously you're more productive. Had a malfunction with the quick coupler. Wouldn't release. I had to get some rebar and bang that. I don't know if that's supposed to be straight or bent or what. I don't know. Here we go. Foundation. Come to church, brother. Preach, baby, preach. Ain't gonna be pretty, I'll tell you that. You can't make nothing. It's got rock teeth on it too. I got these rock teeth from Cat. I use this bucket for taking out stumps. Better hauling out here in my mini excavator. My Mini would have got through this. No way. down this way, try to get underneath that rock. Gonna make a big ass ditch when it comes out. There's no way I could have dug this with the mini. Excavator hates. Everything's popping. I got Speedy here dropping the tank. Dennis yelling at his guys. Bad. I tell you what, Speedy, just set it like right here. Pull up and just set it right there. Thank you, brother. We're hitting on all weight right now, you son of a dirt loving patriots. What we got?
It's not fucking tall enough to read it. I gotta move it.
Oh, yeah, that's fine.
Give me 1 second.
Nope. Not a problem. I made you miss lunch, didn't I?
Nah, it's all right.
You guys are going now, ain't you?
We only got this little bit here to get.
Oh, I gotta get that?
Yeah.
Where do you, oh, you want that from there to here?
From here to there.
Okay, same depth probably?
Yeah. And
Cool.
then do this one first. We might just leave this little bit of earth on here.
You mean do this?
Yeah.
Okay, and then we gotta go.
Then we can go.
Oh,
that way.
so it's just that.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Well, hell, we probably, yeah, I got it. Here's what it looks like. Little footer action with the 316. It's Friday. Dennis is out of here. I got it cleaned up a little bit, and I'm out of here. I'll move the take the 290 or 275 with me. Going to a riprap job tomorrow, big one. So make sure to stay tuned. Like always, I appreciate everything y'all are doing. It means a lot to me. It's the only reason I'm doing it. Till the next one. I always like keeping my pussies in the shade. Saves the pain.